First you go be the bad guy, then you go be the actor. Because I won't feed my family, like make I teach my own guy laptop. Give my life for mommy, I thank God.
You could bet that, never gotta split that. You could bet that, never gotta split
You be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I won't be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news. Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Christina, and you are back to Christina First. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe. And if you are my seasoned subscribers, welcome back. Always nice to see you. So today I'm doing what I eat in a day based on what my AI suggests. Now I know AI is on the rise, and also Snapchat decided to have a AI that you can speak to, which I've seen all types of different conversations that these people have with AIs, and it's so hilarious. But I thought I would do a video based on asking my AI what to eat. So I'm going to put a screen recording here of me talking to the AI, asking them what to eat. Now, I didn't want them to tell me what to eat and I don't like it. I was like in the mood for an Indian takeaway. So I was like, yo, let me ask the AI what I want. And so they suggested. They suggested for me to get the main of a chicken tikka masala. I asked them what type of rice. They said basmati, which is the plain rice. Asked them the side. They said samosa, which is great because that's what I was feeling for as well. And then they also told me to get garlic naan. So the garlic naan, chicken tikka masala, rice, and samosa is what I got. So let me show you and let's dive into it. And then we're going to probably, so this is, let's just say this is dinner. And I want to take it all the way until tomorrow dinner. So I hope you enjoy how it goes. Let's show and let's see. I ordered it. I'll put down below or on the screen here where I ordered it from. And yeah, let's just dive in because I'm hungry. Ooh, we got some Papa John's. Some onion salad. Love some onion salad. Oh my God, this sauce. I love it so much. So delicious. Let's look. I think this is the samosas. Yes. 3 little samosas. Look how masala looks. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, wee. Okay. That's the naan. And now, let's look at. Ooh. This is the chicken tikka masala. Okay. Let's plate up. Okay, so let's plate up, honey. Don't mind my light. It's just in the way. I don't understand why this is so in the way like this. Oh. Don't mind it. I'm literally saying like, don't mind it. And it's literally just there. Okay, so got the plain rice. I'm literally just gonna put a small portion. This is the best thing about ordering takeaway or Indian takeaway or any type of takeaway. When they give such a hefty portion, you can always have seconds or seconds for the next day. Oh, let me test try this dip. I want to say it's like a yogurty dip. It smells like yogurt. It's good. What I like to do is get a little bit of the poppadoms and dip it. I'm a dipper. Let's get one of the samosas. Even though they're tiny. Oh, this is not tiny. They are gorgeous. I'm going to be washing all of this down with water. So let's dip it. Ooh. I got a meat one because one samosa is always meat. Look how juicy that is. More pretty up. Amen. Don't forget your purse now. Ha! Oh my god, some of the meat is falling in there. Everything's falling up. Oh. I want to try to see if I can show you it the best. Can you see it? Oh, it smells so good. Shout out to the Snapchat AI. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that big chunk of chicken. Get some sauce. Oh, another big chicken. Loved it. Get more sauce. And then get another chunk. I'm like, let me try and make it look aesthetically pleasing. And then I'm like, well, let me get it down there. So much portion left as well. I've barely touched it. Barely touched. Oh, the smell that I'm getting from it is gorgeous. Right, let's open up this first salad bag. Yes, let's just chuck it in. Chuck it in. We've got some cucumber, lettuce, lemon, tomato, carrot. What's this? What's this? Yeah, just red cabbage. Yeah, some red cabbage. Let me get the lemon. Make the salad nice and fresh. Get a little lemon in there. My favorite part, onion. This is gonna annoy me. Okay, there we go. That sauce, amazing. Spoons of onion salad. I didn't even know you can get an onion salad until I ordered from this place. So one time I ordered it as a side so that I can like add up my total so that I can order the food. So I had 2 onion salads. I didn't know that they give it to you. Okay, still got some onions left. Look at that. Look how gorgeously healthy that looks. People are like, oh, I didn't get a takeaway so they can be healthy. Okay, well, that's you. I like a little shawarma, you know? I want to get a takeaway that is actually quite healthy. Like, come on. If I wanted to just get an unhealthy one, I'll just get a burger or something, but I'm done trying to just get burgers. I've had burgers, I've had chicken wings. I want to expand, you know, I want to expand my palate. Let's just get a little bit and dip it in the sauce. Gorgeous. Okay. I'm gonna take a bite and then time lapse everything. Okay. Let's get a little bit of chicken. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything. Let's get a little bit of the chicken. Oh, this is a nice hefty chunk, okay? Let's get some rice. Let's get some salad. Don't forget the onion salad as well. That's just a chunk of onion. Okay, let's go. Bit more salad here. Oop. Not the lettuce saying, get off me. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's so delicious and flavoursome. It's not spicy, but you know what? I'm not too bothered. That right there, gorgeous. Mmm. Mmm. This is so delicious. Look at that. I'm chilling. Gonna take a break. And then we'll see him I have later. Maybe dessert. Mm. Mm. Lovely. One meal down. So the AI suggested a great meal. There was no bacon and Gouda breakfast sandwich, so I opted out for the alternative, which is obviously a ham and cheese toastie. I'm not complaining, that's my usual go-to. So yes, and now I'm going to Nando's for dinner, and I'm gonna ask what I should get for dinner at Nando's. I didn't really have breakfast, I was really busy, but maybe I'll sneak in a breakfast for tomorrow whilst I'm at home. And yeah, we'll see. I feel like I've been cheating by telling them what restaurant I'm going to, but honestly it's so much easier just to say the restaurant rather than say what, because sometimes they'll suggest me stuff and it's like you do have my location, so you know what you should suggest for me. But it's all good, but it's fun. So I will see you when I'm in Nando's. Morning. Currently working from home, and the AI is still yet again choosing my meals. I was cheating a little bit by asking for several options, but the game's a game, okay? But yes, so I asked my AI this morning, what should I have for breakfast? Give me a couple of options, and they did. I was gonna try to do both, but then I realized I've got to eat lunch as well, and then I'm gonna end it on the lunch. But I was thinking, maybe I should do like dinner again, but I think we'll end it on the lunch because I've given y'all 2 dinners and now a breakfast, and then I'll give you a lunch. You know, I think that's fair enough. So it actually told me to choose between 5 choices, and I decided to go with the Greek yogurt because I do actually have some Greek yogurt and some granolas. I don't have a lot of fruits. I do need to do a little bit of a grocery shop, but that's all good. That's okay. So I'm going to plate up the Greek yogurt and a granola and munch it away. And I'm also feeling a little bit peckish, and it's told me to get some tortilla chips and some salsa, which I have. I've got some salsa, so I'm gonna order some of the tortilla chips, and then I'm gonna ask the AI what I should have for lunch. But I'm gonna give a couple of suggestions, because you know I gotta make sure that I can do with what I have at home, because I don't really want to order, but you know, if I'm gonna order the tortilla chips, I might as well ask them what they feel like I should have for lunch. So let's ask. So I'm typing it in now. I'm putting a screen recorder next to me because I can't type at the same time on my phone because of my phone, my camera. But we will then go on to the B-roll of me making these lovely foods. So I see you when I'm eating it. But Nando's yesterday was gorgeous. It was very delicious. Very good choice. I did cheat a little bit with the chips, but whilst at Nando's, you gotta have some peri salty chips and perinade. So that was really nice. The rice and the chicken. Starbucks was also lovely. Yeah. So now we're just doing some lovely home cooked food now. See y'all in a bit. So I'm about to make the veggie scrambled eggs. I'm literally just got spring onion. I'm doing grocery shop. Maybe I should have done this when I did the grocery shop. Let's get a little whisk. I'm just gonna use this mug. Let me show you how I make my scrambled egg. It's a Nord pack, Lidl's version of the Lure pack. Even sounds similar. Get a nice little mini tablespoon, pop that in. Two eggs. Oh no, is that a shell? It's not a shell. Let's get a little bit of salt. Just a tiny weeny bit. I think I want to get a little garlic. Oh yeah. Oh, just getting a little garlic and coriander. Just a smidge. That's it. That's it. That's it. And then whisk it up with the butter. I don't know if you can see. Beat it up. And then the butter will disperse itself out. Spring onion. I'm just gonna get the scissors. That's what I'm gonna do. Take that top part off. Yeah? Chop down. Look easy. Chop. Look, I'm working from home, so I like things very quick and easy. I don't want to be doing like a whole 3-course meal or some working from home. This scrambled egg did not require a whole spring onion, but nevertheless, a whole spring onion is inside. Maybe I should add one more egg. No, I'll keep it to the 2 eggs because I've got the granola. This is a nice protein-filled breakfast that the AI has suggested for me. Shout out to the AI. What is your thoughts on AI? Obviously, I'm doing this for fun purposes. Obviously, everyone has their own thoughts and fears regarding it, understandably so. I'm just scrambling the egg on a non-stick frying pan. And helps it. This shouldn't so nasty actually. Okay. I don't want it to be too dry, so I'm literally taking off the heat. Probably less than 10-15 seconds. There's the eggs. I'm cheating a little bit because I've got some bagels. What am I meant to eat the eggs with? Come on. New York style and get a nice amount of soft cheese on it. Don't be shy with your portions of soft cheese, you know, and it's the light version as well, so feel extra generous when plating it up. Yum yum. What a beautiful, nutritious, healthy breakfast. I might end up not even having lunch because of this. So I guess we are going back to dinner. 2 lunches. Consider this basically a brunch. So 2 lunches and 3 dinners. Let's go. I don't know what I should have a bite first. I'll have a bite of one of the bagels and scrambled egg. I'm just gonna use the soft cheese to pick up some scrambled egg. I promise I do eat civilized sometimes. Just sometimes. Okay. I'm so excited for this. Thank you. Amen. Amen. Oh my god, that soft cheese and the bagel and the scrambled egg. It's good. So this granola has cacao chunks. It's got pumpkin seed, oat clusters, and I think it's got some other seeds as well in there as well. Mixed it in with Greek yogurt. Bon appetit. I'm gonna try and get a chunk of everything. Hope you can see. I'm gonna try this off camera. If I feel hungry again, then we'll ask AI what I should eat. See you in a bit. Got the Oreo McFlurry. It is a sweet treat indeed, like they said it would be. So I asked them for lunch if I could order somewhere because I couldn't be able to cook. Well, now our lunch at home goes so quick. The suggestions that they gave me when it came to like location wise, it wasn't that good. Every time I'd search them online, it wouldn't be around. I think if I was out and about, I would have found them easier. But I just said, which fast food would you recommend? And they said McD's. And they just gave me OG suggestion, which is fair. If it's not broken, why fix it? Would have hoped they would have been a bit more adventurous. Well, really, yeah. I think I want to leave it here now. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Make sure you like to subscribe and comment down below if there's anything that you'd like me to ask my AI to suggest for me to do for the day. I'm gonna head now. Peace.